So what I want to do today is show you an easy way to fold a tent. As you can see here, what we have here is your basic old run-of-the-mill cheapo Ozark Trail Walmart special tent. We got everything out of it, so it's all ready to be packed up. Now this is one of the jobs that I historically have always hated to do, because you know how they give you that pouch or box that just barely fits, and you have to get it rolled up exactly right or else it won't fit at all. That's kind of the problem I have here. Now, let me tell you, the first trick to folding a tent is you want to pay attention to how it unfolds. And by that I mean, when you're taking it out of the box and you're starting to set it up, the thing you most want to look up is how many folds the tent has, whether it's folded in quarters or thirds. Some of them I think are even folded in halves. And what we have here is a way to fold up a tent. Now you notice basically we had to fold it into quarters and then roll it up, and now if I had the box that came in, we could stick it in the box and it would probably fit. You noticed I used my knees to keep rolling it tight, and the real trick was getting all the air out of it, which actually is easier if you leave your doors and windows open a little bit. But that's not the easy way to do a tent. Let me show you the easy way. So you go down to your local piece surplus, army surplus, whatever, and invest in a duffel bag. The trick here is we're going to stuff it to the door because the door is open, and therefore we won't get any air caught in. I got this idea from my buddy Gary, who taught me that this is how sailors do their sails. They definitely do not want folds in it because the wind will rip it on the folds. And that's the easy way to roll up a tent. Don't roll it up at all, just stuff it in a bag. Go camping.